Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is a quick update for spring sales that are going on right now. So recently we covered that of Blender Market sales, which is just ended, and now there is a couple of others that I think a lot of you guys and even me sort of missed out sometime within last week. And the very first one is that of the Unity asset store. So there's a flash sale going on at this point. So just in case you like to get stuff up to 80% off, you can find lots of these things here. At the same time, if you're also looking for some good deals, there are also a couple of other things that you can get for 50% off all the way down. This is sort of running from now till the 30th of April 2022. So if there's anything that you're looking for, and probably you're a Unity developer, you've been thinking about getting some of these assets, some of these, stuff, you can definitely get them. And yes, there's a couple of tools and asset packs that have been highlighted, which includes the low poly epic city. There is also the Toon Harbor pack, the love and hate pack. There is the monster bundle. There is also this beautiful VR DJ controller for those who like to, play with stuff like that. There's a polystyle medieval dungeon, and that is not the only polystyle medieval stuff that we'll be getting. There is also the polystyle medieval castle as well. So lots of nice and beautiful things. I'm just going to go ahead and throw all of these links in the description so you guys can check these ones out. And by the way, if you're looking for things like animal packs, the Quirky series Animal Mega Pack Volume 2 is also having an 80% flash sale. So all of these things are here, and you can simply come through and take advantage of these things if these are the kind of things you like to work with, and if you're a Unity developer and if you're thinking about when you can get something that you can play with. Now, the folks working with Unity are not the only ones who are getting some percentage off. We're also seeing a very good percentage off for those working with Unreal Engine. So recently we covered Unreal Engine. There's lots of stuff happening with this engine, and yes, there is currently a 50% off thing going on for Unreal Engine. So if you're working with Unreal Engine and you're looking for assets, you're looking for some add-ons, some plugins, some scripts, some blueprint stuff you would like to work with, then you might want to take advantage of what is going on now, which is the April sales, and save up 50% for products and also other things that you can get from Unreal Engine Marketplace. And this has been running and it will be ending on April the 24th of 2022. And this is also pretty beautiful. There's just a whole lot of things that you can get. And by the way, just in case you didn't get to see that, if you click on sale, you will definitely see every single thing that's on sale right here, and you can pick up whatever you want and start working with that. You can also see some of the stuff on the April sale, and if you're looking for free content, we've already covered a couple of these ones before, and you can simply go through and check these ones out. But then these are not the only ones that you would have probably missed, or the only ones that you can get. If you're working with Cinema 4D, there is also a spring sale from the folks at GrayScale Gorilla, and this is just a very wonderful one as well, and this is running till the 22nd of April, which is pretty dope. So it looks like it's a 1-week thing, and you can simply use the coupon code SPRING100 to save up on some of the things that they have here, which is also cool. And I believe lots of people working with Cinema 4D can take advantage of some of the products and tutorials that they have here. And I guess there's a couple of products, like the HDRI link is a very nice one. I did use it some time ago, very cool. There's also the Light Rig Pro, the HDRI Studio Rig as well. And yeah, so nice stuff you can get from the folks at GrayScale Gorilla if you're working with Cinema 4D and you like to save up on some very good percentage from that. And just recently, like I mentioned earlier, we talked about the Blender Market, and the sales for the Blender Market is over, but it doesn't mean that you can't save up on some stuff. The folks at Polyganiq has actually done something very beautiful. They have started off an extra sort of sales, and that is for the Gumroad section of Polyganiq. So if you go over to the Polyganiq page, you will be able to save up on 25% of anything. So just in case you miss purchasing any of their stuff from the Blender Market's place, you can definitely get these things on Gumroad. And right now you can use the coupon code SPRING22 and get whatever they are selling on their Gumroad for 25% off. And this is running from now to the 25th of April 2022. So you can save up on all of these things. These are just pretty dope stuff, from the Material Leak to Botanic, all of the cool things that they have. The traffic stuff is there. They've added this cute one. I haven't actually gotten it yet, but it looks pretty cute. It's a kitten library, and you can get it for free. You can also get, the pumpkin stuff for free. And there's a couple of other things that you can get here. With this said, there is one more place that I noticed they had a sale, but I don't know if the sale is still going on right now, because if you go over here, you still see the special offer sale, and this is for Artstation. So in case, you know, there's something on Artstation you've been thinking about getting, simply come through, check out, see if there's anything right here that's on sale that you can pick up and, you know, start having fun working with. So this is more like it. Lots of things that are available. I just sort of thought it would make sense and be beneficial to the entire community to share some of these sales, just in case there's something that you've been thinking about getting and you don't know, like for example, the large bundle, and you don't know that, you know, these things are on sale, and you might want to take advantage of stuff like this, and start honing your skill and save up on that buck that you've preciously worked for. So this is more like it. If there's anyone that I missed, simply put that in the comment section so that every other person within the community can also take advantage of your comments and save up on those things and get them right now that they are available on sale. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.